Hello everyone, it's me Joban back again with my design team post, but this time I have a tutorial for you guys. So today I made this circular shaker card with CraftGully floral pattern paper. I use this floral Corsage pattern paper for the background and the glitter balls for my shaker card and the MDF cutouts as well from CraftGully. So let's get started with the tutorial. Materials required to create a circular flower shaker card. Pattern paper from Scrappy Tails Floral. I'm using Floral Corsage pattern paper and the perfect craft glue from Creative Genie and the sequences from CraftGully and the MDF cutouts from CraftGully and some markers and I'm using this circle cutter for creating circular shaker card. You can use die cutting machine as well, or you can draw the circles and cut them out. And then I'm using this pastel sheet, then I'm using acetate sheet. So let's get started with the tutorial. First step is that I took a paper of 16 by 15 centimeter and I cut the pattern paper of the size according to it by decreasing little bit size to paste on my card base. Then I cutted some circular rings from my circle by my circle cutter. As I told, you can use die cutting machine or you for the circles you are using compass, then cut them out. By using this method for creating circular shaker card, our shaker card will turn on very neat, or you can use double-sided tape as well. The outer base of the circle is 8 centimeter and the inner length is 6 centimeter. So I'm pasting the acid. I cut the circle on acetate sheet and paste it like that. Now start pasting the rings one by one on each other for creating a depth for so that our circular balls can move. Circular balls, glitter balls can move in the shaker easily. Let it dry completely. Paste the purple circle on the black thick circles. Now I took these glitter balls and start inserting the balls in our shaker. You can use these sequences as well. But according to my theme of the card, I am using pink sequences. Now close the shaker by adding one more circle. The size of the circle is 8 centimeter. So let it dry completely. Till my shaker card dries, I will start working on my MDF cutouts. So I'm taking these MDF cutouts from CraftGully. I have decided to take out 2 flowers and 1 leaf. Apply glue on the leaf. I'm using this super fine glitter from CraftGully for coloring the leaf and making it glittery. I have used the green balls in the shaker so that it can blend easily with my card. Now I'm using wet embossing marker and coloring the MDF cutout because I don't want my flowers to be shine that much. Go for any other colors as well. Our shaker card is ready. Look how easily the beads are moving and how neat it is looking. Now I will paste the circular shaker on my card. Now I have colored the flowers and the leaf with sparkle. Now I will start arranging them on my card. Now I'm taking this die cut felt flowers from CraftGully and I'm going to choose the ones which match with my card. Next time taking this enjoy today cutout and adding it here. I have added the pearl outlining on the circular shaker card and some threads. I use this satin ribbon. It make it look more attractive. Look how beautiful and fun the shaker card looks. Hear the sound. The shaker card looks. Hear the sound. And inside the card you can add the sentiments or messages for your loved ones or any element of your choice and customize it according to your needs. I hope you liked the tutorial and enjoyed watching the video, and if you like this, try this circular card once. Thanks for watching.